Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Chase Business Merchant Services for online checkout, complete guide step by step clearly. To install Chase Business Merchant Services for online checkout, start by visiting the Chase Merchant Services website. Click on the Get Started button to begin the application process. Fill out the necessary business information, including your business name, type, and contact details. Provide your tax identification number and bank account information for direct deposits. Review the fees associated with the merchant services, including transaction and monthly fees. Once you submit your application, wait for Chase to review and approve it. After approval, log into your Chase Merchant Services account. Navigate to the Settings or Integration section of your account dashboard. Select the type of online checkout integration you prefer, such as API, shopping cart, or hosted payment page. If you're using a website builder or e-commerce platform like Shopify or WooCommerce, find the Chase integration option in the platform's App Store or Extensions section. Follow the specific instructions provided for your platform, which typically involve entering your API credentials into the appropriate fields. If you're using API integration, download the developer documentation from Chase to understand how to implement it correctly. For hosted payment pages, customize the page to match your branding and set it up on your website. Once your integration is complete, conduct a test transaction to ensure everything is functioning properly. Monitor your account for transaction reports and customer payments. Regularly check for updates or new features on the Chase Merchant Services platform to optimize your checkout process. By following these steps, you will successfully install Chase Business Merchant Services for your online checkout system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.